Dun, dun, dun. Energy, energy. Let's have some energy. Yes. Okay. Day 19. Ooh, I can. I know I can't see what this is. I was going to say I can see through this what it is, but I don't know what it is. Okay. Day 19. Let's see what is in here. It's crinkling, so who knows? Let's see what's in after this intro. Okay, so, ooh, 19, you could use our new Poms and Bayet trims to give the Abaka a spiky edge. Ooh, ooh, these are, ooh, I've not seen this before. I like these colours. So we have some Bayets in 2 different colours, and this is a beautiful colour. It's like a pastel green, pink and cream. So we have emerald and bubblegum, and these are 10 centimetre. Start again. These are 10 centimetre lengths, which is £2.50, or you can buy 1 metre length for £16. So 10 centimetres has around 25 to 30 feathers, and the metre one has around 250 to 300 feathers. So, you know, that's a lot of featherage. So, and these particular ones though are 10 centimetres and at £2.50 for the strip. So this is the Goose Bayet Feather Pom Hat Mount. So it's £4.50, and this colourway is the Pastel Bayet, sorry. I have used these before. These are great for adding a little bit of edge to a somewhat, you know, demure piece. That actually would look really nice. Maybe not that, but that would look really nice. Especially that contrast of colours as well. Oh yes, very much. So love these, love these. I mean, these are just so versatile. Like, there's so much that you can do with them. You can tie them, you can thread them, there's just so much what you can do with these. So love myself some Bayets. So today is number 19, and today's question of the day is, have you ever been to Ascot? The answer is no. I have never been to Ascot. I would love to go to Ascot, and I am actually planning to go for my 40th. So yes, it's something I've always wanted to do. It's something that is just I'd love to do, but unfortunately, you know, life and my day job just does get in the way. So hopefully by the time I'm 40, I should be in a position to be able to quit my job and be doing this and millinery full time. So that is the plan. So no, I haven't. But a question to you guys: have you been to Ascot? And if so, what hat did you wear? And I'd love to know in the comments down below. So please let me know. Well, you know, that was another quick day. We are 6 days away from Christmas Day. I am excited, not nervous, but I'm excited. This series is slowly coming towards an end, but it's still got 6 days left. So make sure you stick with me for the next 6 days. Like always, my social media is listed in the description box below. All the materials for every single day is also listed in there, along with links to everything to purchase. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you're already subscribed, hit that notification bell to be notified when we release videos in future. We are uploaded at 8 PM every day in the month of December. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow and seeing what delights we have in tomorrow. Bye.